Dang, Kayla, you thick.
Shut up.
Can I have some more? Hey guys, it's Ray and welcome back to my channel. So today we have little Chico here. Chico, look! Ooh! Oh goodness. Okay, so we're gonna go over to my house and have a little barbecue. We're just gonna make some ribs. It's not like lots of my family, it's just everyone that lives at my house. So less than 10 people, don't worry. But yeah, I just want to vlog the day. So yeah, I'll show you guys everyone when I get there. Okay, so they keep making it easier and easier for us to straighten our hair, so I'm gonna try the brush straightener. So obviously my hair is already straight, but I showered, so it's a little wavy, so it needs a little bit of touch up. This would have been so useful in high school. This is bomb. It goes up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Put it back. This is my mom, so I'm gonna put it back. She had it like at 3 something, so we don't burn her hair off. And that's that. So I'm about to kick the ball with Braylon because he's making me out here in the hot sun. Go, Bray. That's not even a soccer ball. You brought a basketball. Hey. Ooh.
Look, you need to get it to there. You need to
Why are you laying in the ground? Okay.
And when you don't get it there, you lose.
Where do you have to get it? Over there?
You're supposed to do it in the grass.
Okay, go. Ooh, I'm about to fall.
You don't get a point.
Why?
Okay.
Because it has to pass you?
I kind of need to. You need to block me, and I kind of need to kick it to the goal.
You're switching?
Yes.
Fine.
Like over there, because like in the shade over here.
It's hot out here.
It's kind of hot. I know you go in the shade.
It's kind of hot. You go in the shade, but I can't. So it's finally hot enough for me to wear my sandals, my little bedazzled sandals. Yeah, so I got these ones from Steve Madden. Super cute. Braylon. Chico's happy to be outside. Do you want me to hold him, babe?
Well, I block it. Alexis.
Yeah.
Well, I block it.
You like? Y'all better go outside, cause you guys been stuck in this house all day. Jade.
I'm doing homework.
Ashley. What's your excuse? So put some shorts on. Mom. With your curly hair. Her eyes look all blue. Ooh, curly. That's where we get our curly hair from. I don't know about Jade and Ashley, but, or Jade actually, because Ashley has wavy hair. So it's a nice sunny day out here, but it's so, don't scare me. It's so hot. So I already had a tank top on. I changed into some shorts. These shorts I got from Old Navy, I believe. But yeah, it's so hot. I've got a little blanket, sat down while my nephew and my mans play some kind of weird game with a basketball. It's not soccer, boys.
Look at that dog.
And then Chico's right here with me. We have him hooked up to the tree. I do want to get him a longer cord so we could have him like this. Because usually he doesn't try to run away, but recently he's been trying to, so we have to like tie him up so he doesn't run.
Oh, you blocked
Do not want him going anywhere.
You can't
Chico, you're stuck with me. He needs a haircut so bad. It's probably so hot with all this hair.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay, I'll stay over here.
I tried to convince Ashley to come out, but she didn't want to.
Ready?
She says it's too hot. I told her to put some shorts on and be fine. But I think I left my phone inside. Fun fact, Braylon's actually kind of scared of Chico.
Look, you got on that phone.
And then Mama is taking a nap right now, so she's not outside. But yeah. So we're gonna have some ribs, we're gonna have, I believe, pasta salad, and then I don't know what else. And hot links. Oh yeah, we always have hot links. And update on my Animal Crossing. So yeah, my island is coming together. It's honestly very stressful because it's hard trying to figure out where to put everything, especially the trees and the flowers. Like I need to make a garden or something for them because I'm a little stressed out trying to figure out where to put them. So I'm trying to figure out that. But then I'm also trying to decorate where people walk in first before I decorate the back, because I think I want to have like a garden towards the back over to the side. So yeah, that's what I'm worried about right now. Chico, what are you doing? Chico?
You caught it. You did. Good job.
He's having a good old time outside. Chico? Is it hot? Is it hot? What are you doing?
If I catch you, I lose a point.
And I'm getting, like, I don't know how to, like, film vlogs. Like, what do you guys like to see in vlogs? Do you like to see how I cook? Do you like to see me talking? Like, I'm trying to figure out a balance. I feel like every one of my videos have, like, a cooking video in it. But I always cook, so I feel like that's, like, the easiest to just film. Because, obviously, we're at home, not doing much. So, I'm not really sure what to film. But hopefully you guys are liking what I'm putting out. I've been putting out a lot of videos and I see people watching them, liking them, and I really appreciate it. It lets me know that you guys like it. So leave a comment down below, like the video, so I know. Finally, we got her to come outside. She never comes outside.
I went outside yesterday.
Yeah, right.
It's 90 degrees right now?
What? So it's 90 degrees out here, no wind. Usually where we live there's always wind, but today there's like none at all. So that's kind of weird. And it's hot.
Right there, you all actually think, where you right here, you're on my team.
Oh, because I'm going to be on Brandon.
I'll get a show to the right.
And don't worry, I have Chico's water bowl out here, so none of you come at me. He has water.
I threw it twice at him.
Your baby, my little baby.
Oh.
Hi guys. So we're playing football today. And Jay's being a butt.
I know, I brought you guys to make videos together.
So we don't talk about that.
This hot, I'm about to have
Ashley, why don't you start you on YouTube? You seem like you like it.
I can't set it up. How to show you do that?
I couldn't contain myself.
Kayla, I'm trying to vlog and all you hear is laughing in the back.
You trying to what?
Vlog.
Shut up!
I need some on my arms.
On your arms. Who did they put some on your face?
Yeah, he got some on his face. Don't put too
And
much.
his ears? Did you put it on his ears? You got some nice
Rub it on the
calves.
other end. Here, hold this.
Anyway, ooh, we're still recording. Okay, here.
Here, hold it.
Look at this part. Look at this. Put this on your face. And then talk.
It's heavy.
It's too heavy.
Let's go have an interview with Kayla. She likes being on the videos.
Look how red my son is.
Because you didn't put sunblock on
I
him.
know, he's super red. You okay?
Someone needs something.
Look how red.
He said this.
He pink. He's not even red no more.
Someone needs something.
Braylon, are you hot?
Are you okay?
Someone needs something.
No, but you know what? He was stopping to get water. He said, hold on, I need to go get some water.
Someone needs something.
No. You need some.
The last cucumber?
No more. No more. Look, that's too much.
With tahini.
Huh? I know the part until you turn this way. And then
Oh my God.
That's it.
Why you got so much? Show your hands.
I fell when we did it.
I need to put my hair up in a ponytail.
It's too hot for them to have a straight shred.
I know.
You gotta go natural.
No, it's because I wanted to use the
It's hot. I'm about to have a stroke.
blow dryer.
I'm going inside. Go play with you.
You can hear my family in there. We just got done eating. We had ribs, hot link, corn on the cob, potato salad, pasta salad. It was so good. So yeah, let's go see my crazy family. They're playing Mario Brothers on the Switch. Everyone's trying to get a Switch right now, but I think they're sold out. But I mean, if they restock, Don't hold me accountable because I really don't know. Oh, I got food right here. That rib was good. Kayla says she's hot, so she gotta put up her hair.
It's recording. This is so weird. This is heavy, Shrek.
You better be hugged after this.
I know. I need to hold it and lose my little bat wings right here.
Because it's not a vlogging camera. My said she wanted to be in it.
This thing don't work. You can't spread it up.
What? Hello? Clap, 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 clap hands. Clap, 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 clap hands.
What? It's 450.
I don't have a game.
Kayla, what do you have to say to the vlog? Kayla wants to have a third baby. She wants to have a baby after this is all over.
It is hot. AF.
Kayla's pregnant.
Yeah, come on.
Shut up.
I need my nails painted.
You don't even
Me
want to cut my
too.
hair.
And my toes.
Nail salon.
And my toes.
The nail salons are closed.
I'll cash up you $5.
My mom. Oh, I see.
Trey, you gonna?
You can barely see it. Same color as the skin.
$5.
$5, but you have to do my toes too.
5 for hands, 5 for feet.
Oh no.
Well, I already have my feet done.
$250 for the hands. $250.
Okay, so that means $250 for me.
No, $5.
Because my toes are done.
Alright, come on. Right.
You got $250, I got $250. Don't tell her that.
She thinks it's hot now. She just waits.
Let's go to school. Be coming up.
I think Jade could be something else.
I said on the side.
Like what?
Jesus, man.
You have good grades. You go.
Yeah, you could be a doctor.
Girl,
Kayla,
you
you
should
see what I did there about?
You should be a dentist. Girl, they get paid a lot of money.
Okay, but look, there's
And there's
coronavirus right now. They all in their mouth.
True.
You ain't gonna be a dentist right now.
But you never know.
Yeah.
Some stuff might come up.
Okay, but they're nurses and they're still during
Kayla,
coronavirus.
Kayla, what?
Well, Kayla is a nurse. She could be
But
working.
you think they want to be doing this when something like this is going on?
Period.
Well, I mean,
That's why I quit. No, I'm just kidding.
that's why I ain't got no job right now.
I'm just kidding.
You're just kidding. You actually quit.
No, I really did quit, but that's not why.
Okay, somebody
Some
give
people
me.
know I'm blessed on the video.
Somebody give you what?
But I'm 3 classes away
Yeah,
from
my
the
mom
art
said she's
program,
next.
so
You gotta pay $250 for my
Watch out with that.
Hey, not $250, it's $5.
Yeah.
My mind's a baby.
Okay.
she got 50 cents.
My man's free.
She 50
Mama,
cents.
you want free?
Mama wants to get her nails done.
Okay, sure. Well, you're taking 2.
Mama, you wanna get your nails done?
Let me see, Brandon. You want yours?
$250. Ooh, your nails?
And so is this.
The pink one needs to be thrown away.
Is it only for one pair?
I think I'm gonna do red.
What?
Is that only for one pair?
You gonna play
Is
Islander?
that open?
You gonna play your Islander?
No, he's not. Braylon, no.
Too late.
Braylon, you gotta play a different game. That was too hard.
You gotta throw it again.
Got too hot. I had to put my hair up in a ponytail. My mom learned a new word too. Mom, what's your new word?
Great.
Where's there?
Vibing. That's to my sisters because they always say that.
Where is it?
We're over here vibing. I'm a little bit hungry. Dang, this is how much ribs we have left. The ribs were a success. We had some corn. Now I want me a frozen drink. Last night we made us a frozen alcoholic drink and it was good.
Where is
My mind's yelling. That's her yelling. So I don't know what to eat. I'm hungry. Oh my god, you walking one more time.
Chico!
Ready?
Chico! We're watching it. Yummy, mama. That's good, huh?
Get it wet.
Why?
You gotta want it wet.
I don't care what you want.
Get it wet.
Why do you need it wet?
He said because I want it wet.
I want it wet.
Because he says too hard.
Careful, Mama. You don't want to spill it. Ooh.
Mommy? Mommy? Mommy?
You know what this is?
Mommy, I love
Ooh,
you.
ay.
Is it
Like
good,
that,
Mama?